Hey guys, today we're going to talk about synergy, and a lot of times people misunderstand the value of working together with other people. So I can change my own oil, I can cook my own food, I can do a lot of construction things around my house, but there comes a point where it's more beneficial for me to do what I do best and hire somebody to change my oil, or hire somebody to build something onto my house, or hire somebody to cook my food when I go out to a restaurant where somebody else prepares it for me. So you have to determine what is the most valuable investment of your time. And synergy is often misunderstood because we don't fully comprehend why this works this way. But let's say you could lift 50 pounds with one arm and 50 pounds with your other arm. You would think that collectively you could lift 100 pounds. But the way synergy works is you can lift maybe 120 or 150. And this is a very common thing where we don't realize that the sum of all the parts may come up to one level. But when you work with the right people and you work together, you actually have a higher output and your return on investment is significantly higher. Find out what it is you do best. What does your business specialize in? If you don't specialize in social media, if you're not familiar with reputation management, if you're not familiar how to optimize your search engine optimization, then it would be in your best interest to team up with some people that really know what they're doing there. That's why I want to share this video with you. Is if you're struggling with trying to keep up with social media, give us a shout. We'd be happy to take care of that for you. And that way you can produce optimum results for your company. You can do what you do best and let us do what we do best, and the end result is synergistic. You'll get a much higher output than if you try to do it all yourself. Thanks a lot and have a great day.